Good afternoon and welcome to this Snow Atlas overview. I'm going to give you a quick overview of Snow and set the scene for Snow's new cloud platform, Atlas. Now, I understand you're on a relatively old version of Snow. It's on premise and the team struggles to maintain it from both an underlying infrastructure perspective and version control. That means Snow is not on the latest version. This can impact latest feature releases and also security updates. I also understand that you don't have visibility of SaaS-based applications and have a cloud-first purchase policy. With that in mind, I'm keen to talk to you about SaaS management and how this can complement what you're already doing. One more thing to point out is the Oracle letter that you've received in regards to an audit, whereby you received an audit letter from Oracle indicating that they want to review their Oracle Java usage. I understand that you have limited visibility of Oracle exposure and would like to be in control before the audit hits, which could, of course, lead to unpleasant and unbudgeted surprises if you're not prepared. So, what is Snow Atlas? Snow Atlas is Snow's cloud native offering. It's hosted by Snow in Azure, meaning it's easy to maintain, and with Snow's new features automatically being rolled out, it means that you don't have to maintain the platform from a patching or underlining infrastructure perspective. Snow will look after that for you, and with Softcat still well placed to perform first and second line technical support, with also our range of comprehensive SAM services, this is made nice and easy. So in summary, Snow Atlas is the command center that's designed to take various datas sourced into a single location and give you a complete view of your technology landscape. So I just wanted to touch on a few bullet points here that you've already mentioned. You've got a cloud only purchase policy, and this is like a lot of our clients that we work with at the moment. And this is supported by a 241% increase in SaaS spend, according to Gartner. We've already seen a 9 to 25% price increase in Microsoft 365. So, with the world moving into this SaaS era, it's really important that we get a hands on of who's consuming what, and we can then look where we can optimize. It should also be worth noting from a security perspective that it's also a good idea to get a handle on that data as well. Where is my data going? What cloud applications are people consuming? Snow will give us that complete visibility, so we can minimize our spend and we can also ensure that we're secure as well. This is a high level view of the Snow strategic roadmap. As you can see, it starts with SAM Core and Snow Atlas, and this is the first application to be launched on the Snow Atlas platform. Snow's plan is to continue to enable customers to do more with Snow data with expanded API capabilities. Snow's focus will be solving key challenges for SaaS, but also containers and cloud management. These are key focus areas because this is where we believe the IT budget is shifting to, and we expect our customers to need more support in the future, with Snow planning to offer more discovery options as well as capabilities around SSO and additional connectors. The aim of this is to give you complete visibility and a 360 view of your estate. From Snow's perspective, I do stress that your current platform is not going to end of life, but more development will be aimed at the Snow Atlas proposition. So, welcome to the Snow Atlas dashboard. We're going to start here on on SAM Core. So first and foremost, this may feel even quite familiar to what you're using at the moment. Of course, this is the default snowboard or the dashboard for simplicity. And you're already going to have a really nice overview of a few different areas here. This alert list usually will highlight upcoming renewals. It's just loading in at the moment. You've got a few cool areas as well. Most used applications, computer inventory status as well. But yeah, this should feel fairly similar to what you're used to at the moment. And you'll see down here all of those little alert list areas, warnings, and updates as well. So we're going to dive a little bit deeper into this. And I want to start here at the application search. So let's click into there and we can straight away see as this loads in that all of your software will load in here. And straight away you're going to be seeing some further information around each of these specific areas. So first and foremost, you'll see your metric here. top one here saying users. You've got no license required. You can see exactly how many people are using yeah said area of software. If you type in cloud here, it's actually already done it. Oh, if you type in cloud here and we click into that, we'll see that this will drag through everything that is running from the browser. Now, I do want to just quickly click into one of these. So let's go for Athena, for example. Quick look into here. So first and foremost, you're going to be able to see um, this nice dashboard here as well, which is going to give you an idea of where you're at in terms of licensing first and foremost. So you'll be able to see here that that one individual in particular, they're not actually compliant, they're not actually licensed, and it's letting you know exactly what we need to do to get this back in the green. From a SaaS perspective, if we want to click and find out who in particular is using it, we can click into here and we can see that Alina is the individual that is using Amazon Athena. So really nice bits of data, really nice bits of information, and as you can see, gives you this really nice large area to work from. Now we're going to click into the SaaS module as well. And first and foremost, you're going to be able to see some of your subscriptions, monthly cost of all your subscriptions, potential monthly savings, bearing in mind that this is, of course, a demo module. Subscriptions expiring in the next 60 days as well. So just a few little areas here. And of course, you've got your upcoming renewals on the right-hand side here. But yeah, really interesting. Lots of little bits and bobs that you can dive into to, of course, maximize what you're using within your estate at the moment. Once I'm going to have a quick look and just dive onto here. So first and foremost, once again, application categories, your top 5, and then also your top 5 for application usage as well. And as we scroll down here, you're once again going to see everything that you've got in play at the moment. So really interestingly, you've got your discovery type, and most of these, as you can see, have been dragged straight from the browser. However, for Acrobat, for example, you do also have data that is pulled through from the SaaS connector and devices as well, which is really nice. You know, and in terms of the value it adds, it just enriches the product and it makes sure that you're getting absolutely everything that you need to have visibility on, and that really does give you that 360 view of what you've got in play. So let's do once again a deeper dive into this. If we go into Microsoft, we can have a quick look into here. So say for example, if we select Microsoft 365 apps for enterprise, we're going to click into here and straight away we can see the status for each of our users. As you can see here, all of these are inactive. And once again, this is further data for us to analyze as well. We can click into subscriptions also, and I just want to quickly have a look into the Microsoft 365 E5, and as you'll see, it will drag us out of that screen and onto this one. And the reason I wanted to come over here was to highlight this insights page. Once again, this hasn't been populated with lots at this point, but you can see that you've got potential savings in different areas, and knowing that the data is coming from multiple different sources, you can be confident that this is going to be correct. So a really, really nice area as well. On top of this, we can click into details, and it's going to give us some more general information as well. So recommended price, 57 US dollars monthly. You're going to have some expiry dates, some start dates, availability. So lots and lots of data once again to really dive into and tackle to get that really clear overview of your estate. So that was a very quick tour of the Atlas dashboard. A few things that I just want to make sure we've definitely covered. The main areas of importance for us is, of course, providing you with that complete 360 view of your estate. This is going to make sure that you know exactly how things are being used. And obviously, with that visibility, you're going to be able to gain control. And of course, off the back of that, optimize what you're using within your estate. If there's any further questions, please